Hey guys, it's Lawrence from Laws of Physio, and in this video we're going to tape for golf elbow. So I have an in-depth video where you can learn everything about golf elbow and what exercise to give you instant relief. It'll be linked in the description or there'll be something right here. So we're going to use some dynamic tape today. So golfer's elbow is tendinopathy of the common flexor origin. So we're going to put tape along those tendons just to offload it. I'm just going to use 2 strips just like this. And we're going to start off at the bony part of your elbow right here. That's where the tendon begins. So we're just going to lay it nice and flush, just like that. Make sure to leave a section without any tension. This way you don't get any blisters. We're going to pull off and leave another section without tension. And the way you're going to angle it is you're going to angle it towards your palm area. So give it a nice pull and then angle it just like that. Again, last section, no tension, you're just going to lay it down nice and flat. And I like to use 2 strips just to reinforce it a little bit, just to take a bit more tension off, and this will give you some pain relief. So again, on that bony prominence just there, give it a nice gentle pull and up to the wrist area. So with this tape, you can go onto the palm itself. Ideally, you do want to go onto the palm, but a lot of people, when you're using your actual elbow, you're going to use your hands, it gets dirty, and then it'll come and flake off as well, okay? So these are the main 2 strips to tape for golfer's elbow. I like to reinforce it at the actual elbow area or just at the forearm and at the wrist so the tape doesn't fall off. So again, you can use some dynamic tape, but I'm just going to use some rigid here. And I like to just cuff it off at the wrist, just like that. No tension, because if there's too much tension, it's going to squeeze and compress. And at the elbow area, just there. Beautiful. And that's how to tape for golfer's elbow.